Hi, this is Janet, and today I have a project I'm working with Craft Collabs, and we are working with a digital stamp from Sunshine and Bee Designs, and this is the image that they provided for this hop. Sunshine and Bee Designs is also doing a giveaway for a gift voucher when the information will be shared below in the information for this video. So to get started, I'm going to move this out of the way and I'll talk about this in just a minute. What I'm going to do is I've taken a piece of red cardstock here. I have a heart stamp and I'm going to stamp it with a subtle heart pattern. And then I am going to send it through my Sizzix to cut it. So I'm just hopeful, I just wanted a subtle little pattern on the cardstock. And so I'm going to set that aside for a moment. And then I'm going to bring in my cutting machine by Sizzix and line everything up here to cut out. And I'm cutting it out smaller than the stamp. So I really just want some of that pattern to show up. So I'll run that through the Sidekick and then we can go further with our design. And I am making a card. If you hear some strange noises in the background, I apologize. There is a kitty in my studio catting around, and not sure if she will be joining us up here or not. Kind of hoping not, but just in case, and if I have to stop for a moment, that is what's going on in the background. All right, so we have our heart cut out. And I'll bring our papers back in to share with you. All right, so what I've done is on my home printer, I printed out, actually before I even printed out, I worked on the computer and took the design, which was just one girl, and I copied her, flipped her over here, removed one of the sentiments that were up here, left this one here, and added a heart. And so you get the idea of where that heart is going to sit. Okay. So then I've cut this down. I have cut my cardstock here to be a 4x6 card. So it's 4 inches this way and then 6 inches across here. So total 8x6, and then fold it. And then I cut a piece of darker blue cardstock just to sit in there, and I don't have the exact measurements for you. I just kind of eyeball everything so that I get a layered effect like that. And what I'm going to do with this image here is color it in with pencil. So let me start by just putting some layers of paper down underneath, because I don't want the texture of my surface here to get into the image. So I am going to color this, and I will probably advance it as I do this, so you don't have to sit with me the whole time I color. So I am using these woodless pencils. Here, let me turn it the right way so you can read it. These are from Artesia, I guess is how you say it, Artesia. These are woodless pencils, and so it is lead all the way to the outside, and they have a little bit of a coating on the outside of the pencil. Alright, so I feel like I am done with my coloring, and I am going to put the card together. So I'm just going to use the tape runner to attach my card pieces. And again, I just eyeball to center these pieces. Okay. And digital stamp. And then we're going to place the heart here, but I think I want to lift it up. So I am going to grab some foam tape and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just cut some foam tape to fit on the back of my heart, and I'm just going to peel the backing off of it and place it on there. Now the reason I colored in the heart is because they're not exactly the same size, and I wanted you to be able to see underneath it and still have it be the color there. So there you have it, finished card. Digital stamp is from Sunshine and Bee Designs, and this was a collaborative project with Craft Collabs on Facebook.